Hi there and welcome to another episode of Inkit Designs. Today let's create an illustration for a hoodie, so let's get started. First, create a sketch using any drawing app. Ensure that the sketch is in black and white only. Next, import the sketch into Illustrator, use the image trace feature and then click expand to convert the sketch into a vector format. Bingo! As you can see, I have successfully converted a pixelated image into a vector image with sharp clear-cut edges. Now let's fill it in with colors. Here I have used brush to add highlights and darks. You can use pen tool as well. Now we will use type on a path tool to add your typography on the illustration. Now for the design representation, let's visit Pacdora. Unlock access to 4900 of mockups, die lines, and templates with Pacdora. Now without wasting any time, let's grab this hoodie and place our design on it. And we are almost done. Here's the final review. If you want to level up your packaging game with Pacdora, don't forget to use my code inkitdesigns20 to get 20% discount on your subscription. And also like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Till then, stay connected.